As we gear up for the second half of the symposium, please join me in welcoming Kathak and Lavani exponent Aditi Bhagwat, who will enthral us with her enigmatic performance beginning with a Dholki Mujra, followed by a Lavani presentation. Cue the music, please. The floor is yours.
थैंक यू। मैं इतना जोर से नाची आज के घुंघरू टूट गए। Namaskar, always so thankful to Avid Learning for giving me various different opportunities, whether it is the Royal Opera House or here or anywhere in your workshops in so many different ways, just so that I can communicate and communicate in the one language I know best, my dance. Thank you. There are several people here that I have met before, some old friends, so I'm really happy to be here and sort of see familiar faces. Going back to Lavani, I'm born here, I'm a Marathi Mulgi. That's why I love the language, because I understand Lavani literature, Lavani poetry, more than just the sensuality or, the glamour quotient that Lavani has. I kind of have the opportunity of understanding Lavani at the core, because, of course, I understand the literature and the poetry and the feelings behind it. In my research for Lavani, I came across some Lavanis that are meant for social reformation, some Lavanis that spoke about domestic violence, they spoke about problems of women, from pregnancies to female infanticide, so many different things. And that is what made me love Lavani more and more. But today, since we have very little time, like hardly any time to expand upon this huge ocean of Lavani, I will present these two small songs after this, which is sort of an ode, a tribute to, जैसे मराठी में अजरामर कहते हैं, जो चीज़ कभी ख़त्म नहीं हो सकती, मर नहीं सकती, ऐसा पिंजरा. How many of you have heard of this movie? This is V. Shantaram's amazing creation. Oh, I'm so happy. So many hands have raised. And two of my favorite Lavanis from this movie, because it's sort of a tribute. You cannot do Lavani and not know these lovely famous numbers. Mala Lagali Kunachi Utski. So here in Indian tradition, we all know, hichki lagti hai when you get hiccups. It is believed that somebody's thinking of you. I'm single and I would love to think that somebody's thinking of me. So, Mala Lagali Kunachi Utski. And her friends ask her, is it this man who met you at the marketplace, or is it that other man who met you somewhere else? So she says, don't know, but I would love to know. So, Mala Lagali Kunachi Utski. And after that, jo se nok jok kehte hain, Lavani is very famous for its humor quotient. There is a certain mischief and naughtiness involved in Lavani, which comes across in this next piece, Chhabidar Chhabi, mi toryat ubhi. And then she boasts about her beauty and, how bold she is. Lavani is a very bold art form, especially for women. She boasts about how bold she is and she challenges her lover. Who do you think you are? Looking at me and gazing at me like that. So here are these two beautiful Lavanis, a tribute to my favorite Lavani movie, Pinjra.
कुठं चालली पंजाबी गचका खाता आली आली सुगी म्हणून चालली बिगी बिगी गोष्ट नाही सांगण्याजोगी गोष्ट नाही सांगण्याजोगी कुणी गालावर मारली तितकी मला लागली कुणाची उचकी हो मला लागली कुणाची उचकी तुलाची ह्याची त्याची लाजू नको लाजू नको लाजू नको मला लागली कुणाची उचकी पाऊल माझ्या उरात भरली धडकी मला लागली कुणाची उचकी हो मला लागली कुणाची उचकी कुणाची ग कुणाची ह्याची त्याची लाजू नको लाजू नको लाजू नको मला लागली कुणाची उचकी छबीदार छबी मी तोऱ्यात उभी छबीदार छबी मी तोऱ्यात उभी कशी चांदणी चमचम नभी आव दाजीबा गावात होईल शोभा हे वागणं बरं नव आहो दाजीबा गावात होईल शोभा हे वागणं बरं नव आहो दाजीबा गावात होईल शोभा हे वागणं बरं नव करतोय खोड्या हे वागणं बरं नव आर लाज मोड्या भलत्यात करतोय खोड्या हे वागणं बरं नव आहो दाजीबा गावात होईल शोभा हे वागणं बरं नव छबीदार छबी मी तोऱ्यात उभी छबीदार छबी मी तोऱ्यात उभी कशी चांदणी चमचम नभी आहो दाजीबा गावात होईल शोभा हे वागणं बरं नव
The word Lavani comes from Lavanya or beauty. And I think that is exactly what comes to our mind after witnessing Aditi's graceful and rhythmatic presentation of Maharashtra's traditional song and dance art form. Thank you, Aditi. That was exceptional.